I think I'll just take and look around now, just like I have been. I figured I had better say something. But yeah, it's Tuesday here in Sturgis, and of course you saw the B-1 bombers fly over. We had two of them in tandem come over, and just looking around now. And that's what I'm going to just keep doing, just taking the sights and sounds of the Sturgis motorcycle rally. So I'm going to head back onto Lazelle over here and continue up that way.
What Brian's doing is a slow ride. A little bit of clutch, a little bit of brake. He's letting the bike start to fall, and when the bike starts to fall, he switches back, hard lock left, hard lock right. Brake, throttle, clutch, you can learn to do this. You just have to understand as you practice, you're going to fall over. And you do that, clutch, okay. Clutch, use it hard lock right. Nice hard lock left. Show you three things in here about picking up a motorcycle. If you find yourself in this position, and most of us have, you're most likely going to drop your motorcycle in your driveway or your garage because you're barefooted or you're wearing flip-flops, you're not paying attention. You're moving your bike, whatever happens, and all of a sudden, bang, over it goes. You cuss a little bit, you look around to see who saw you, then you get about the business of picking your bike up. If it's over on what we call the high side, which is where it's at now, two things to remember: side stand down. Why? Because you're going to push the bike back up by yourself, and you don't want to push it all over and have to pick it up a second time. The bike's in gear. Why? If you got any kind of a grade at all, it keeps the bike from rolling. It also makes the bike just a little bit easier to control as you're picking it up. So, what Brian's going to do, he's just going to push the bike up with his legs. He's going to lock his arms in. You pull that handlebar back. We're going to do it the other way so you folks can see down here. All he's going to do is once he's going to push little short choppy steps and up the bike comes. It looks simple because it is simple. It's technique more than it's strength. Now, if you're 250 pounds, 6 foot, and you're able to just jerk the bike up, knock yourself out. That works. You know, if you're not that big, goes kind of hard on your rib cage and hard on your shoulders. Rob's going to do the same thing. His arms are locked. He's just taking short choppy steps backwards, and up it comes. That bike weighs about 900 pounds. And he just pushed it up with his biggest muscle mass in his body, which is his upper legs. That's what he's using. You keep your feet tight together. It helps if you kind of look, keep your head up and look up. Now, if you ride 2 up at all, either frequently or infrequently, but if you ride 2 up, remember this if you don't remember anything else. What Rob's going to do, he's going to stand on the floorboard on the opposite side. It works both ways, doesn't matter. He's standing on the floorboard, he's got his hand on the grip. He's going to get his butt back as far as he can. He's going to help him pull that bike right up. If you ride 2 up, practice that a couple times in your driveway. So if you drop in the dark, in the rain, in the middle of an intersection, you don't have to think about what did that guy in Sturgis tell us? If you do it a couple times, it becomes second nature. You drop the bike, bang, you're back up and away you go. You may have to reset it, like we showed you earlier, but at least you got the bike back up on its wheels.
Rumble on, they got plenty of bikes for sale, bikes and trikes and pretty much everything you could ever want or need. I would have filmed more in the lot there, but they have music playing over there, so that would kind of botch it. So, but look at all this they got, man. There we go again, Main Street. Yeah, we were filming down like Main Street and everything. It's really difficult, you know, with music and everything. But it's like you have motorcycles that make enough noise to drown it out, you know, that helps. And here's what they had wrapped on that first day. I was wondering what was underneath, and there we have it. Gold Star Families Memorial Monument. Tribute to Gold Star families and relatives who sacrificed a loved one for our freedom. There we go. You know, the Sturgis motorcycle rally videos, basically the big draw is the sights and sounds of the rally. Everything you see in here. came out of rally headquarters. And this is the quiet end of Main Street. Across the street here. Okay, that was that. Continuing on, back up that way. Back to the loud end. Alright, I gotta walk through there. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh man, that felt nice. I can't believe someone parked right there. And they're getting towed. Huh. There it goes. When it comes to parking violations, they have no tolerance whatsoever. If you're parked wrong, it's gone. Alright, that's one last look at Main Street for today. But I do plan on coming back. I don't know exactly when. I'm playing that by ear. So I wanted to get back to camp a little bit earlier tonight and kind of relax. So, alright, I'm heading back to camp. Alright, I got this video almost edited. I just have one more clip to do. And that's this one, the concluding clip for the video. But this video was, you know, obviously better than yesterday's. I had more time to get better footage and stuff, and also being directly in Sturgis. And I think I caught more of the experience of Sturgis better today than yesterday. But anyways, it's gonna wrap up this video, and yeah, tomorrow I'm not 100% positive what I'm going to be doing. I have some ideas, but hopefully I'll be able to get some good footage. So yeah, so I'll see what it's like in the morning, what time I'm able to get going and everything, and probably just wing it tomorrow on what I'm going to do. I have a few ideas, but not exactly 100% sure. But anyways, once again, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.